In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect electric guitar to GarageBand. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using an electric guitar alongside GarageBand is extremely simple. You can run GarageBand on any compatible iOS device. In order to establish a connection between your instrument, the electric guitar, and GarageBand, you will need to use some specific cables and, most importantly, an audio interface. An audio interface is going to be the bridge between the instrument and GarageBand. So there are plenty of models available out there. For this video, I'm going to showcase the Scarlett 212 as an example, but any audio interface will work. I recommend that you choose one from Focusrite, but it doesn't matter. Find any audio interface that you would like to use, and to start, use an instrument cable. You will plug one end of the cable into the guitar, like this, and the other end goes into your audio interface. So establish a connection between the guitar and the interface. Once you have the guitar connected to the interface, it is going to look like this. Then all that you have to do is connect the interface itself to your PC, laptop, iPad, whatever you have running iOS alongside GarageBand. So GarageBand will be running on that iOS device, and you will use a USB cable to connect the audio interface to the device. So with the guitar connected to the audio interface and the audio interface connected to your device running GarageBand, you will be able to use that instrument when you open it. So open GarageBand, start a new project or a new session, and you will be able to choose from any of the options, and you will see this message, audio device connected. If you would like to monitor what you are playing, enable this and you will be good to go. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make high quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.